right, welcome to another FMI show. We're going to start off looking at a couple things we see and pop up on the charts, and then we got a couple NFT projects we just kind of want to bring to your attention, and let's get started. All right, so we're going to start off looking at Bitcoin. So we're on the 4 hour right now, and as you see, we got this trend line going here. We are making higher lows, and we're starting to get our moving averages. We're about to make a golden cross here on the 4 hour, and we're right at $17,000. So let's look over at the daily to kind of see what's going on. Here's our trend line, and our moving averages are constricting right here, and we do have the 50-day moving average coming in around about, let's see here, we got it looking at 18, a little over 18. So if we do continue up, we might hit a little bit of resistance at, like we were saying the other day, around that $18,000 mark. So just kind of keep an eye on that. All right, let's switch over to Ethereum. All right, so here's Ethereum. We're keeping it on the daily, and to show you, we're still trading in this descending channel. We're still kind of on the, we're still making lower lows. So, but the only thing is we are noticing that it looks like we're starting to bounce off support on the 20-day moving average, and we're coming pinned up against that 50-day moving average. So I'm curious to see how we do with this. If we try to come back up to around that 1350 mark, or if we go to try to break back under this 20-day moving average. So just kind of keep an eye on that. There's another coin we want to look at here is the ICP, and it's kind of what we're noticing on a lot of these charts. It's just our moving averages are just really getting compressed, and we're starting to just really looking at that bottom potential on a lot of these coins. I mean, right now we just printed a red 9. The other day we bounced down to hit support off the 20-day moving average and then bounce right back. We're just really these tight ranges. We're really getting constricted here on a lot of the time frames. All right, so one that's looking really good for us right now is Matic. We did have that golden cross back at October 26th, around that range, and we have come back down and retested twice on the 200-day moving average. So we're holding that as support, and so it's looking pretty good for us. All right, so last but not least, we're going to take a look at Cardano. As you're looking here on the daily, we're still in this descending channel. We've had a couple uptrends within it. As of right now, if you switch to the 4 hour, we are kind of in a uptrend right now, and we're pinned right up against the 50-day moving average, and we just got rejected from it. So we're coming back down to this level of support, and hopefully we'll bounce off of that. And we're just, a lot of the time frames we're looking at, it's just we're getting constricted in a lot of these moving averages, and we're just getting that more sideways action. I'm thinking if we hold this trend line as support, we could bounce up and retest this 50-day moving average and get back over to 32 cents. Yeah, it's just such a tight range right now. All right, let's switch over and look at some NFTs. All right, first one we want to bring up is the Jpeg Junkies. This is DZ and Justin's project from NFT Alpha, and it looks like they got a couple other people over at the big squad working on it and behind the scenes. The floor price got all the way up to 500, and it's come back down right now. They've been doing some pretty interesting things so far. If you were a holder, they did were able to get a discount, so you could actually got your NFT put in a slab. And just here recently, they gave Charlie tokens out to holders, and we'll show you that here. So right here, check it out. You have Charlie token probably in your wallet. So I think we got airdrop 7.3. We only have one junkie, so but go check that out because that's probably in your wallet right now if you own a junkie. And so the next thing we've heard, they're going to be kind of teasing some stuff of something's going on in April, and we got the NFT NYC in April. Are they going to have us a special party? I don't know. We'll check it out, but keep an eye on the junkies. They've been doing a lot of stuff. All right, so next NFT project we want to talk about is Royal Dreads. Their mint is live right now. And it's pretty neat what they got going on is so you'll mint kind of like a token, and then you'll come back and hit the link, and you're going to be able to customize your dread. So this is going to be really cool. And they got a lot going on. A lot has came up since the last time we talked about it. They do have funding to be working on their young adult anime series, and they just had. Grammy award-winning singer Chantel joined their project. So definitely doing a lot. If you don't know who that is, we did kind of bring her up here. So, and Grammy nominated singer, songwriter, platinum recording artist Chantel is on their project. So definitely go check them out while they're minting right now. And to be able to get a custom dread right now, I believe it is 100 ADA for per mint. To kind of bring it up here just to make sure. I believe it's 100 ADA. Um, so yeah, right now we're running 100 ADA on that. So definitely go check out Royal Dreads. They got a lot of good things going on over there. And don't forget to check out our boys over at Jpeg Junkies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you next time.